Attention, citizens of the United States, this is Lieutenant Jacob Williams, speaking on behalf of the Pentagon. An unprecedented and dangerous phenomenon has been detected across multiple regions of our nation. A strange thick fog has been reported in various areas, spreading rapidly and exhibiting highly unusual properties. This is not a natural weather event. Preliminary analysis indicates that prolonged exposure to the fog is causing severe behavioral changes in those affected. Reports confirm that individuals exposed to the fog are transforming into aggressive, unrecognizable creatures, which we are classifying as storage creatures. These creatures display heightened strength, lack of reasoning, and extreme hostility. Their primary objective seems to be spreading the infection further. What you need to do: 1. Avoid the fog at all costs. If you see dense, unexplainable fog in your area, do not enter or approach it. 2. Stay indoors. Lock all doors and windows, and seal any openings that could allow the fog to enter your home. 3. Do not engage with infected individuals. If you encounter someone showing signs of transformation, distance yourself immediately. 4. Monitor official channels for updates. The Pentagon, in collaboration with FEMA and the CDC, is actively working on containment and a potential solution. Signs of infection: irrational behavior or aggression, sudden, rapid physical changes, pale or fog-like discoloration of the skin. If you or someone you know begins to exhibit these symptoms, contact the authorities immediately and isolate the individual in a secure location. We urge everyone to remain calm but vigilant. Our military and scientific teams are fully mobilized to address this crisis. Stay safe, stay informed, and trust that we will overcome this together. Here's a picture of the fog.
This is an emergency broadcast. Giant creatures are destroying cities across the U.S. The fog is spreading faster, mutating everyone it touches. The president is in a secure bunker, but the Supreme Court 23 judges are missing, dead, or infected. Stay indoors, avoid the fog, and pray. We're losing this fight.
International forces are preparing to bomb Michigan, Ohio, Pennsylvania, and New York. The fog is spreading too fast. Creatures are consuming everything in their path. If you're still alive, get to a safe zone now. This is your last chance to escape before it's all wiped out. Evacuation will be impossible once the bombs drop.
This is Lieutenant Jack Smith with a critical update. Nevada and Texas have been completely evacuated as the infection spreads beyond containment. Our forces are engaged in relentless battles against storage creatures, and a new aerial predator with massive wings has been attacking evacuation convoys and safe zones. Avoid open areas at all costs. International airstrikes were successful in wiping out major storage creatures, temporarily halting their advance and giving our forces a chance to push forward. But this victory was short-lived. These creatures have revived and are attacking with renewed ferocity. We've also confirmed that the creatures are hijacking communication networks to spread false messages. If you see or hear a broadcast claiming the fog is safe, shut it off immediately. Do not listen. Do not watch. Prolonged exposure to these signals has been linked to infection. Our tech teams are working tirelessly to block future hijackings, but the situation is deteriorating rapidly. Stay indoors, avoid the fog, and trust only official broadcasts. This fight is far from over.
학교 운동장 및 현관, 감염자들 빠르게 내부로 이동 중. 알파 3, 목표물 리포트. 작전 이상무, 진입합니다. 작전 지체 완료.
물건은
확인 중입니다. 감염자들 과학실 쪽으로 점점 빠르게 이동 중. 알파, 대피 준비 실시.